Zioku, did you mean it? So you are not telling me that one person fit play the role of a mother and e go still be papa at the same time, because according to Tonto Dike, na so she talk. She say she be mama the papa. Make I dey give una the gist, my people. Hello my wonderful kings and queens, welcome back again to my channel. My name na Lady G. In case today na your first time when you dey come across my channel and you never subscribe, abeg make you no forget to subscribe as you dey watch this video finish, and just click that notification bell so that anytime when I upload new video you no go fit dey miss any of my gist. So make I dey land the tori for now. Na about Chochi and Tonto Dike. You know, say we know say they no dey again. They don share garri for very long time. They no dey play again. They no dey party together at all again. So their matter na e no gree finish for ground sake of say they get one thing when e bind them together, which is their pikin wey they call Andre. King Andre. So anytime when this pikin matter come up, Tonto Dike and this Chochi, they always dey clash. So the matter na come up again, be say now Father's Day they celebrate am for the whole world. Now Father's Day they celebrate, na im bring the matter come up again now. So most of us know say when they celebrate Father's Day, they celebrate Mother's Day. Normally, most children for school, they will come write letter. Maybe their teacher will tell them how they will take construct letter, when they will give their parents for house to appreciate them, to tell them the role when they be for their life, to tell them how important they are. So when this Andre come, Tonto Dike come represent as the father. So after say she don't represent as the father, say na im be Andre papa, na im be Andre mama, e no finish for there. She can still write one strong message to take back her action up, say na she be the real papa of this Andre. Say as far as she is concerned, person like papa no dey exist for Andre life. Make I show na the message when she write. This one na wetin she write. She come talk say, happy Father's Day to me. I have done it all by myself and ace it. West just prove who they want to be. Dearest son, King Andre Dike, being your dad has been a great honor. Thanks for making me Mr. Mom. I love you, kiddo. Hey, Mr. Mom, King Tonto Dike, Mama the Papa. My people, not when we not go hear this Tonto Dike self before, in a real drama queen as they call her. So Tonto Dike, you won't become mama and papa at the same time. It's not done, my dear. It's not done. E no get as you go do and reach all these things wey you dey do, so everything go still turn around, because we don't see many things like this before. Me at the talk from my own opinion. Tonto Dike, we know say this pikin when they call Andre, say many things don't happen, many water don't pass on that bridge between she when be Tonto Dike and this husband they call Chochi. Say they know they agree. Yes, we know say they know they agree, and then they are not meant for each other according to her. But me, I not look and say now this pikin now go come be the scapegoat when they will come put for the immediate, that is out of the way whether they feel or their pains. Say now this pikin now go come they pay the price. Me, I not support that one. As a mother, me I be mother, I not support that one at all. Una know why they talk am. I know say this is story, not be new story. Now story when be old story. E get one time when be say never to take for her when Tonto Dike first come and talk say because of saying with this Chochi then get problem. Come talk say Chochi na 40-second, I been a 10-second man. I don't remember as it talk again. Una not laugh. Say na 40-second stroke 10-second man. Say now because of that one, if we can they not fit stay and they know they agree for anything at all. That word alone first, that thing don't first cause many katakata for that small boy head. Because that word, they wait for that pikin no matter what. Even when Tonto Dike self no remember the time when she take talk again, that word they wait for the pikin at the right time. When people will bring that matter, come take and they laugh, and when they say that pikin, it go come even they feel, you know what they call inferiority complex. You know go come they settle in midst of it, man, and especially again now man. As if that is not enough, now Tonto Dike is coming out and telling the world that say na him be this Andre papa, na him be mama. Say anything like papa no dey exist for the boy life. I don't know why we women sometimes, I don't feel say every women, some women they very selfish. They selfish because when they get problem with their partner, they go want to use the pikin as excuse to cover that road. But innerly, that pikin, they suffer. That pikin they in pains. That pikin get emotional pain and different thing when they go through that pikin. The only difference be say the pikin not get the opportunity to take talk, and maybe too small, enough he express his or herself, enough he express her now. But as time goes on, all these things we dey try to do, we dey think say we wan protect the pikin, we wan do all these things, we wan deprive them of their rights. At the end of the day, the thing dey backfire, because me I don see many like that uptown here where we dey. Even oyibo people, e dey happen to am. Some go do one wey be say because say with the man get problem, the pikin no go see the papa again, or they no go do anything again, they don't get anything to do with the papa. But at the end of the day, these children, when they don't grow up, they go dey dig into the matter, they go dey find, they go dey look for that their papa, because say they won't know whether that their papa no wan see them, or na something make am no wan see them. By the time when they find out the truth, maybe they can't find out the truth, come see say the papa won't see them, but their mama, because of her own selfish interest, you know, won't make their papa see them. At the end of the day, all these things when you do, go come turn against you. Make we dey use our number 6. Make some women no dey take the things extra mile. I know say yes, e dey pain. Some men, they when be say when they born pikin, they don't even know whether they born pikin. Especially that African mentality when most of our people get for that obodo Naija. Most men they talk and say, even though say I born pikin, I don't send the bad pikin. When that pikin grow, you go come look for me. Yes, not true. Some pikin they look for their papa. Most of them when they mostly they look for their papa. Those one be say hungry one me. Those one will be say then they okay. They know they too much they look for their papa. But in the case of this church, it's different. Because one, Tonto Dike na celebrity. Anything when he do today, he must come out in future. You know, get as he go take hide. Even the churchy na public figure. So don't be something when they go fit do hide. This speaking, whether Tonto Dike get or whether Tonto Dike they okay, he must still go look for this papa when they call churchy. And by the time when they look for this papa, the truth go they come out. Well, I know many things say then they talk and say this internet, you know they lie. The truth go they come out. And by the time you come find out say now this is mama, now this Tonto Dike can I make this papa non fit see am, because he block every way, try every means to make sure say papa non see am. All the things when Tonto Dike you come be like say the thing he turn against him. So that's why we need to think twice before we take some kind of drastic action. Not be the thing when you do today just because say you won't favor yourself, or because of say as you they do and as the Tonto Dike they do and they happy because that is what he want. But did she know if that is what that child want? That pikin, you feel they control and now feel do one, pay the something, range the something the way you want, because it's still small. By the time when this pikin they reach that kind of 10 years, may I not even say 10, 12 years. Not be children that they born nowadays. You don't they see some truth, you don't they hear some things. Even when you don't hear yourself, for that school alone when they go, people don't they tell our news. You coming now to claim yourself as mama the papa, say you be the mama, now you be the papa. Which impact? What do they try to put for that pikin head? What about the way we go take mess up for the society? What if it mate come they take and they laugh and tomorrow now you first talk say this pikin, that people don't even feel they take and they laugh and say this pikin a 40-second product when you and your ex get. Now you dey see they tell the pikin and say you no get papa, say now you be mama and papa. And apart from that one, even though say you dey tell and say now you be mama and papa, that your best friend they call Bobrisky, they roll around you day and night, and now you they tell and say now you be mama and papa, and all the things when the pikin go they see for us now. So women if they see Bobrisky as a woman, if they see you as a woman and man at the same time. So which mentality how that pikin will take grow up? This one and most of the things when you see say it dey influence the society, when you make you see say that Naija different things they take place. Now because of the way, you know, get one video when I make one time say many things when they take place for that society, most of them now upbringing, now from home, now they start. Because you cannot give out what you don't have. If you grow in midst of love and harmony, now so you go take grow up, now so you go take they do something. But if you grow in the midst of, I don't want to use some kind of negative words for here, now so you go still take grow up. So for Tonto Dike to come out to they claim the role of a man and a woman at the same time, for me is very, very bad. It's wrong. Even though say when that man not dey, the man not dey again, the man don't pay me. Still let her know say he get papa. Anything when like made the man do, I know say it dey painful, because sometimes if you look some things when men they do women, when you think of all those things, you go say no. This people when be saying I me take my belle career, I know the suffer, I know the pains. This man, I not go let her get access to this speaking at all. This man, you don't know whether I born this pikin, now let me they suffer for that. But as you they do that thing for that pikin, and you they suffer for that pikin, they provide, they do everything, because that man clear come on for road talk say he no get hand, save the pikin grow, you can't find her. At the same time, let her know say the man, he know they contribute anything. No tell and say you know be papa, say you know they exist again, because when that pikin grow, you will go find that man. And when that pikin don't find out that man, you don't see say now you do all the sacrifice for that when you take grow. Not be you even need to tell that pikin, that man go be like say they be cat and rat. Many children they like that. They feel no say the man they are like. They feel no say the man he dey there as their papa. But even when they see the man, they look like vegetable. They not go feel anything. Not be you to they use force to they turn things around, because you don't even know what that child want. He's still a baby. Small pikin. What and Andre know? when that pikin grow up tomorrow, all these things they will backfire you. Okay, let's assume, let's take it like this. Say na Chochi na him be the Andre mama, na you wen be Tonto Dike na him be the papa. Then this Chochi na come dey tell Andre say na him be the mama, na him be the papa. How did Chochi go take play the role of a mother? It's not done. It's not possible. God, when he create man and woman, he gets reason. He gets reason why. God for fit create only man, say only man na go dey on this earth. God for fit create only woman, say na only woman na go dey live on this earth if God wants. And the world will see they multiply. But God, when he say na both man and woman na go dey live for this world, na papa and mama na be this, he get why. God get best reason wetin make am do am. Because sometimes make we no dey do something when be say e go maybe we dey selfish, we no want, because say we wan take our own selfish way take another person pay put. Because this will not be the first time. Apart from this Tonto Dike, when he come and they talk this thing, so many other women still dey when be say that they pass through all this thing. Me even get friend when be say we get children like that, say anything for this life not the one go make the father or let the children know say this one na their papa. Pikin come out, they wish in mama happy Father's Day, and that one are pride. There are some things that I want people, you are doing it, and as you are saying it, you are happy about it. But what of if the children, they can't take and they laugh, and they can't take and that one that they call to book children, now big problem for, especially for this Western one, now big problem. You know how many children when they go psychological problem because of this kind of thing. Word when person go talk to around, the thing go they torment the pikin, go they worry the pikin all in life. Go even make am stable for his study, or to be better person again for the society. All these things when Tonto Dike they do this is son, so all these things they are not called for, because all these things you are doing it because you feel that you love your son and you want to protect that pikin. But indirectly you dey hurt that pikin, because tomorrow all these things they go backfire. Everything go come out. One day go come out, he go say, mama na true. They say my papa na 42nd man. Mama na true. They talk say I get papa, not you be my papa. How you want to answer that question? Now you dey ready be celebrity. By that time, maybe you don't reach 50, 55. How you go to answer the question? Then later, last, the pikin go still look for a papa. And if you see papa will talk, say, if you don't believe me, go dig am for internet, go everywhere, look for social media everywhere. Now me, I won't play with you, I won't draw you near body as a son. Now your mama na no gree. The pikin go still find out the truth. From there, when that pikin don't hear that matter, you don't hear that word like that, you won't be the thing say you dey protect and do everything. Now you go come be the person when be say no good for inside. You come turn against you. How painful will it be that time for all the sacrifice and the things when you think say you dey do to take show that pikin love and care? At the end of the day, you come say now you be bad person. It's very painful. So we mothers, especially we, even though say you dey watch this video now, not be say because say Tonto Dike do am, now still message to many people, because many mothers they like that when they get that mentality, when they get that thing for mind. I know say if you say make you look some things when men they do women sometimes it dey painful, but at the same time, not let your own come take and spoil the small pikin on. It plenty for here, well, especially when you go Germany now single mothers na dem full everywhere. Now so single fathers still dey. So my people, make we dey think something when we know say e no go work out, it go backfire us in future. Make we dey think well before we plan. Make no come be say wetin we be talk say we want to do good, you can't change to bad. So now this one be the gist when dey today. So I don't know what you think about this matter. If you think say Tonto Dike he do am well, say now the right something, say he get right to play the role of a father and mother at the same time, according to her, when she says she be mama the papa, you support her, or you get reason wetin make you not support her, just drop your comment below at the comment section, my people. So my people, now here I go dey roll up my video today. I hope to see you now for my next video when not to take from now. I beg, as you watch this video finish and you never subscribe, I beg, don't forget to subscribe and click that notification bell so that anytime when I put video, you know go feel they miss any of my gist. And for those of now when you don't subscribe, I give you that thumb up, I appreciate you now. Thank you now for your support and my kindness. So I hope to see you now again. Happy Father's Day to every good father out there. May I not still forget. So I hope to see you now very soon. Have a blessed day. Bye bye.